Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is commenting. Always comment out your code whenever needed and whenever possible to make it more understandable to other developers, but not too much. When you start to comment out obvious operations in your code, other developers will learn to skip the comments, and that's not good. You lost time commenting and they lost time reading it. So in all places that a operation must be clear for the other developer to understand what you did, comment it out. But if it's obvious, don't. So, if you found the video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you aren't subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.